Right now, I'll be guiding you on how to make the top for this skirt, and this is how you make the top. You start by making 2 bra caps. This is my first bra cap, and this is another bra cap. After making the 2 bra caps, you're going to make something like this. This is what will be holding the caps together. You should have something like this. Let me take the measurement, and I've made it using the half double crochets. So the height, the length of this one is 12.8. Also, you can make it up to 12.5 or 3 inches. So this is how mine looks. And let me take the width. For this one, it's up to 15 inches. Make sure it's only covering the front part of the body only. So if you're a bit thick, you can increase the number of inches over here. And if you're a bit slim, I think you can use the number of inches that I'm using. So after that, you are going to join the pieces together. Make sure after that, you're going to join these pieces together and make sure that the inches that are left onto this point, they are equal to the inches that are onto this point. So go ahead and join the pieces. Then after that, I'll be here to show you how to make the ruffles onto the bra caps. Right now, I'll be showing you how to make the ruffles on the bra cap. And remember, we'll only be making the ruffles onto only one bra cap. So I made earlier this ruffles, but it was a bit difficult for me to explain to you. That is why I'm going to explain to you how I made these ruffles onto this other side of the bra cap. Then another thing, I made a lot of mistake while making these ruffles. I also made some clip. That's the reason why I'm explaining to you why I'm showing you the ruffles, why I'm showing you how to make the ruffles onto this side of the bra cap. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to attach the yarn onto this upper part of the bra cap, and this is what you are going to do. You're just going to draw a pattern like this using a chalk. Hope it's clear. So draw something like this using a chalk. Then after that, you are going to attach the yarn onto the upper part of the bra cap, and you are going to repeat a row of single crochet following the pattern that you have drawn using your chalk. So that is what you are going to do. Make them ruffles, it was not very simple to me because I think I repeated making these ruffles for about 3 times. So, and you can see that they are a bit bushy. So it is not that easy. Mostly we're making it at the first time. Mostly we're trying to make these ruffles at the first time and as you're taking the tutorials. So this is how you are going to make the ruffles. You are just going to attach the yarn onto that upper part of the bra cap. Then after that, you try to make the single crochets on top of this bra cap. So just, this is a bit difficult, trying to make single crochet onto irregular stitches. So just try making the single crochets using a smaller hook so that it can be a bit easy for you. So just continue placing single crochets into each and every stitch, following the pattern that you have drawn. So repeat that until you complete the entire pattern that you have drawn. Then after that, I'll be here to show you what to do next. I've completed making a row of single crochet following the pattern, and this is what I have. So then after that, we start making the ruffles, and to make the ruffles we'll be using the double crochets. We start by chaining 3. Then this chain 3 will act as our first double crochet. So we are going to place 2 double crochets to make them a total of 3 double crochets. Then after that, we'll be placing 3 double crochets in each and every stitch until you complete this row. So place 3 double crochet in each and every stitch until you complete this row. Then after that, I'll be here to show you what to do next. Right now, I've completed the first row of making the ruffles, and we are going to move on onto the second row. And to start the second row, you will also chain 3, then add more 2 double crochets onto that stitch over there, so as to make them 3 double crochets into the same stitch. So also for row 2, we'll be placing 3 double crochets in each and every stitch until complete this row. So just place 3 double crochets in each and every stitch like you have done on row 1. So after completing row 2, we are going to move on onto row 3, and for row 3 we'll just be placing 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. Remember, row 1 we placed 3 double crochets in each and every stitch. Also for row 2 we placed 3 double crochets into each and every stitch, but for row 3 we'll just be placing 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. Then after completing the row 3, we are going to move on to row 4, and for row 4 we'll just be placing 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Then after that, we are going to attach a white color yarn and repeat a row of single crochet so that it can give you something like this. Hope this tutorial was clear. I hope this tutorial is a bit clear. Then another thing, it's adding of the strap. It's so easy to add the strap onto this top. So after doing what I've told you on what I've explained to you, you'll be having something like this, and that's how you are going to make the top, assuming that the most difficult part of making this top, it's the ruffled part, but I've already explained to you how to make the ruffled part, and that is it. Hope you have understood. That is it. Hope this tutorial was clear. If it wasn't clear, just ask me any question on the comment section and I'll be here for you. That's how we are going to make the ruffles for the top. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The reason why I have not shown you step by step, it's because I have made this top and the skirt for about 1 month while making mistake and correcting the mistake. So some of the clips that I took while making the skirt, they were full of mistake. So that is how you'll be making the top. Also, I have a skirt for this top, and the link is on my description box. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye. I know this, and always remember that my next tutorial will always be better than the previous one. So just subscribe to my channel.